Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, scroll down, and at the bottom you have the option to turn on or off the vibration, and if it's turned on, you can tap on vibrate when ringing, and here you can select the vibration intensity. Select the one you like, and once you're done you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.